What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to introduce you to a new platform you can use to generate your Seedance 2.0 videos for free. And I mean, you are not going to be charged to generate the video using Seedance 2.0, and I'll also show you how to get more credit on this particular website. So if you're ready, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be exploring in this particular video. I will be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, or you can also check in the description box below. You're going to see the link there. So now once you're on this website, what you need to do is to quickly you can simply just sign up to an account. So I'm going to sign up using a new account that I've not used on this particular website before. So you can see you can use, but I haven't tried this before. Use probably using TechMate, but you can try it and see out. But I'm going to be using Google for this part, so I'm going to just log in using my Google account and then we'll continue from there. Alright guys, once you've logged into this account, to your account, is going to bring you to an interface like this. So once you're here, what you just need to do is very simple. You can see we have the normal agent, we have the video. In case you want to do video, you can just switch over here. If you want to do image, you can just come over here, but we are going to be sticking to video. Remember guys, as I said, for your first use on this particular platform is going to be totally for free. Guys, it's going to be for free. Now you can see we have Seedance 2.0 mini, so you can use Seedance 2.0. You can now bring in your image if you have your reference image you want to make use of. So now I have a reference image I want to use. I'm going to just bring in the reference image. I want to use this particular image, so now I'm going to just bring the image in while the image is loading. So I want to try to create something like a UGC kind of video. So now I'm going to now paste in my prompts. All right, here is my prompt. I just added my prompt. It's just a short prompt. Now just wanted to do something like a UGC video, and now you can see from there, this is what, just try to describe what the person should do. So now the person is going to be wearing the wristwatch I attached to the and so you can see this is the wristwatch I attached. So the person is going to be wearing this particular wristwatch in the video. Why talking about the wristwatch? Now I'm going to, from there, I'm going to see, from here you can see, you can select your model, the model you want to use. You can see you have Seedance 2.0 mini, you have which can take from 5 to 15 seconds. Now we also have Seedance 2.0 fast. We also have the lots 1 clean AI. So a lot you can use on this particular platform, a lot. Okay, let me just stick to the Seedance 2.0 mini. Let me just say I want to use this particular one. You can say for this particular one, if you are having one free, so you can use Seedance 2.0 mini for only for one use free on this particular platform. So I'm going to make use of this particular one. So you can see I've selected my model I want to use. Now I'm going to come over to here, we have this auto. So now I'm going to now select my aspect ratio I want to make use of. So you can decide to make yours to be a 9:16, you can decide to make it to be 16:9. But for the sake of this particular video, most UGC videos are mostly 9:16, so I'm going to be using 9:16, that's portrait. Now you can decide to use, once you take this, is going to, a free is going to go off. So I'm going to go back and stick to this particular one. If I should go to 10 seconds, it's going to, the free also is going, so it's going to only give you the free for when you are sticking to your 5 seconds video. And you can see my audio is turned on. Now before I click on generate, there's something I want to show you on this particular platform you can also do to get more credits. You can see once you hover on your profile like this, you're going to see that you have how many credits here. You have 20 credits, isn't it? You have 20 credits over here they give to you. So now if you click on this get free credits, once you click on get free credits, it's going to pop up, and now you can see you can watch ads, so you can watch adverts to get more credit. Now for this particular, one thing you should note, if you This is how you do go about it. Once you click on watch advert, it's going to load up, and you can see it's going to load up the advert for you. So you just allow it to play, and once it's done playing, you can see if this is reading. Once it's done playing up to it's going to automatically add credits to you. So it's going to add 10 credits to you. So let me just wait for it to finish. So guys, you can see it has added and now it has now why it shows like this is because on this particular browser, I have created an account before that I used to test this particular platform, and I have from that account I have watched 3 ads. So that is why the tree is already taken. Let's say for example you have a different browser with a different email logged into it. So you from that particular one you'll be seeing your own. Yours not going to be showing this way. It's going to be showing the full thing. So you can have privilege of claiming that. You can say from here to 70 credits you can claim per day from this particular site. So that's what I just wanted to show you, that you can claim more. So now if I should close this now and I check my credits region here, and I should check my credits. If I click my profile now, you can see it's not, instead of 20 and I have 30 credits here. So that's just what I wanted to show you. So now let me just click here and generate my video. So once I click on generate, it's going to start processing, and you can see it bring out the chat agent. So you can see I'm generating this particular video for free. You can see my 30 credits is still showing here. It's still active. My 30 credits is still showing here, and you can see the video is processing. You can see it's a portrait video, is processing, and you can see my 30 credits is still there. So let me just wait for it to finish generating my video, and we'll see what it's going to how the final result actually looks like. Guys, if you're still watching this particular video up to now and you've not considered subscribing, guys, please just hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified each time I upload content like this. And don't fail to check in the description box. You're going to see the link to my WhatsApp community group, so you can join the group where we have discussions. And if you have any problem or any issue or the idea you want me to work on, we can just drop there, just more or less like a chat where we can chat with each other. So you can feel free to join the group. So let me just wait for it to finish generating. Alright guys, you can see it's done generating my video, and guys, I went ahead and played the video and I love what it actually generated. So what you can do, you can just simply what you can do from here, you can see the result over here. You can just click here and hit on export, and it's going to start loading. Then click on download, so you can decide to export anyone to any, but since it's a video, I'm going to download it as a video. Then you can see video, composing video. All right, you can see my video has been downloaded successfully. So I'll be playing the video. So let me just play the video so that you see what it looks like.
This smartwatch has accurate heart rate monitoring and a 7-day battery life. Get it at 30% off now.
So guys, you can see what it looks like. And guys, I believe you actually love the output of this particular video. So now guys, I'm going to allow you to try this particular website out and generate videos like this. So I just came across this particular platform and I said I should share it with you guys. Probably it's going to help you out, or it probably is going to help you out. I think they also have their app on Google Play, on Play Store, so you can also try and use the app. For those of you that are using Android phone, you can also use their app. So guys, try it out and let me know if it was able to generate some videos for you. And if you know how we normally do it, if you exhaust your credits on this particular account, you can simply just switch to another account, a different browser. If possible, you can even use a incognito mode so that it doesn't save your browser history, just like what I encountered when I was trying to do this. It was saving my history. That is why I said you should probably use an incognito mode. So that is just how to go about it on this particular website. I just had to show you guys. Probably it's going to interest you guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.